Attio CRM versus closed CRM, best CRM tool for you. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Attio CRM and closed CRM. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Attio CRM is a modern, customizable CRM designed for fast growing businesses. It offers a sleek interface, real time collaboration, and powerful automation tools. One of its biggest advantages is its flexibility, allowing users to create custom workflows and manage data in a way that fits their needs. Attio also integrates seamlessly with various third party apps. However, it is relatively new in the market, meaning it may lack some advanced features compared to more established CRMs also. While it's great for startups and small teams, larger businesses might find its scalability limited. On the other hand, Close CRM is a sales focused CRM designed to help teams streamline their outreach and close deals faster. It comes with built in calling, emailing, and SMS features, making it an all in one communication platform. Close also offers automation tools, pipeline management, and detailed analytics to help businesses track their sales process. However, it is more expensive than Attio, and its focus on sales might not be ideal for companies looking for a broader CRM solution beyond sales and customer interactions. So that's basically the main differences between Attio CRM and closed CRM, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.